Hey guys, I'm in the kitchen with my friend Crystal and we are cooking together because we're going to make our cheddar broccoli soup. But we're preparing for something really fun and exciting. What are you going to do?
We're going to do a live, interactive, online cooking class with GE.
Because Crystal, just like we've been friends online for quite a while, this is like one of the few times we've actually gotten to work together like in real life.
We get to cook
together. And so we wanted to do this interactive online class with you guys. Now, we won't be able to see into your kitchen, so you can wear whatever you want, but you'll be able to see into our kitchen. And we're going to be in a studio in Louisville, Kentucky, and we haven't been there before, so lots of practice. And it's GE, and they asked me, when they asked me to do this, I was asking them questions. They said it's an interactive platform. You guys can ask questions, and they guarantee that you can get on, because I know sometimes with me, I'll struggle with the online thing. And they said there's going to be tech support to help people get online. And so, if you don't love the experience, they'll be there to help you. And then there'll be somebody there to help, like us, know what your questions are. So if you say, hey, wait a minute, how finely do you chop that onion? Then we can answer that question. So I'm excited. I think it's going to be kind of like a girls' weekend, because we're going to fly out on Friday and spend until Sunday in Louisville. And the guys were so much fun. They bumped us to first class. Have you ever flown first class?
No, I have never flown first
haven't
class.
Either. I'm just like that kid from Bigwood, North Carolina. So I'm excited about that. And yeah, we can actually sleep in on Saturday.
I can't imagine what that would be like. I guess I'll find out.
I can't imagine. We'll probably both be awake at 6 o'clock and on our phones working. So we're going to make French onion skillet chicken, or French onion chicken skillet. One of those things.
It's going to be tasty.
It's like, imagine French onion soup. Do you like French onion soup?
I do.
That hearty beef and onion. But instead of bread, we're using chicken. So there's this really rich, amazing sauce. We made sure that it has wine in it. That's an optional ingredient. Yeah, just a little bit of wine. And then the rest of the bottle, we'll find something to do with it.
I'm sure you will too.
I'm sure. If you want to grab a friend, you can do this online interactive cooking class with us. And I think it'll be really fun. So feel free to invite a friend over. It's an hour-and-a-half long class. At the end of the hour-and-a-half, you'll have 4 servings of French onion chicken skillet. And we're going to teach you how to make a salad dressing, a really simple vinaigrette. And we'll have a simple salad. So it'll be a really nice meal.
Come join us.
I hope you do join us, guys. The link will be below, and we'll see you online from Louisville.